Tea with a Stranger in Morocco. A simple story about kindness and connection. Layla was walking through the narrow streets of Marrakesh one afternoon. The smell of spices filled the air, and the sound of music came from the nearby market. She stopped at a small tea shop with colorful lamps hanging above the door. A kind old man invited her inside with a warm smile. "Welcome, my friend," he said. "Would you like some Moroccan mint tea?" Layla smiled and nodded. "Yes, please. It smells wonderful." The man poured the tea slowly from a silver teapot into small glasses. The tea steamed and filled the room with a sweet minty smell. As they sat down, the old man asked, "Are you visiting Morocco for the first time?" Layla nodded and said, "Yes, I came here for vacation." The man smiled. "Morocco is a place of stories. Every person here has a story to tell." Layla listened carefully as he began to talk about his life. He told her about his childhood, the city he loved, and how he opened his tea shop. He said, "Money comes and goes, but kindness stays forever." His words touched Layla's heart. They laughed, shared stories, and enjoyed the peaceful afternoon. The tea was sweet, but the moment was even sweeter. When it was time to leave, Layla thanked him for the tea and the company. The old man smiled and said, "You are always welcome here, my friend." As she walked away, Layla felt something special in her heart. She realized that sometimes the best memories come from strangers and simple kindness. That day she didn't just drink tea. She found a beautiful memory she would never forget.